Unlock the secret to creating buzzworthy ads without blowing your budget by mastering AI-powered user-generated content. Are you a business owner looking to amplify your brand's reach and engagement, but find traditional advertising costs prohibitive? What if I told you could generate compelling, authentic-feeling advertisements using cutting-edge AI, all while keeping your expenses incredibly low? Today, we're diving into how to make AI UGC ads for cheap, empowering you to leverage the power of artificial intelligence without breaking the bank. The core of this strategy is in harnessing the power of user-generated content, or UGC. UGC feels inherently trustworthy and relatable because it comes directly from real people. Now, imagine supercharging this with AI to create even more impactful and targeted ad creatives, all without needing a massive team or expensive software. Our first step is to identify and utilize free or low-cost AI tools that can help us generate the raw materials for our UGC ads. Think about AI-powered text generators that can brainstorm, add captions, or even script ideas based on simple prompts about your product or service. You can also explore AI image and video editing tools that can help enhance existing UGC or even create entirely new visual assets from text descriptions. Step 2 involves the actual sourcing and preparation of your user-generated content. Encourage your customers to share their experiences with your brand on social media using a specific hashtag. Once you have this valuable content, you can then leverage your chosen AI tools to select the most engaging pieces, perhaps enhancing their visual appeal or generating multiple ad variations from a single piece of content. Next, we'll focus on optimizing and targeting. AI can be invaluable here. Use AI analytics to understand which UGC content resonates best with different audience segments. You can then use this information to tailor your AI-generated ad creatives. For example, if your AI identifies that a certain style of UGC performs well with a younger demographic, you can instruct your AI tools to generate more ads featuring similar authentic styles, aimed squarely at that group. The beauty of this approach is its affordability. By utilizing existing UGC and low-cost AI tools, you can create a high volume of diverse ad creatives without the hefty price tags of traditional professional production. This allows you to test and iterate rapidly, identifying what works best for your specific business and maximizing your return on investment. So, start exploring those free AI tools, encourage your customer community to share, and watch as you generate impactful, cost-effective UGC ads that drive real results for your business. It's time to embrace affordable AI for your marketing success.